My name is Niyamuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be creating a ID card, identity card design. This is the task I was giving right here. The company is Imaginary Co. Right, I want to create the ID card for the company. The brand color is deep blue and vibrant cyan. Okay, so let's go. The size I'll be working with is the width is going to be 7, let's say 755, and the height is 1280. Okay, so this is it. So this is for the front. Okay, imaginary Co. Okay, so let's quickly go here. Alright, so if you look at the feature, the elements, they want a logo, they want the employees information. Right, so this, I want the background to be white. I want the background to be white like this. I want this guy to be sorry, this is the blue that we'll use, this one here. Okay, then I want to create a template for employees image. So let's assume that this is going to look like. Right, I'll create another one, and I would use cyan blue. I'll send to the back. Alright, so basically what will be here is name. So let's say James Umukolo. Right, so I'm going to create another guy here. Okay, this time it's going to be white. Right, so I can come here now and add the image. Okay. Right. Okay, so the position, let's say executive director. Let's check the font. Alright, so the next information according to the security features like barcode and all that. Alright, so we can put in kind of a number here. Alright, so let's do this. Okay, so in order for the background not to just look empty, I want to get something. I'll quickly do this. I will come over here, opacity reduce, send to the back. Alright, so I just want something very simple and straight to the point. Alright, so we can get a barcode. Right, there's no need for me to waste time generating code. I just want to get one that I'll be using. So I'm going to copy this, right, for the purpose of this design. Alright, so I would do this, do this, do this. Alright, that's for that. Alright, so this is the logo, imaginary code, blah blah blah. Alright, so let's come here. I want to pick the color exactly the way it is here. Go to Pixellab, okay. Alright, so this is the exact color, so that I'm not getting the wrong color. So this is the color. That's it. And this is the exact blue. Okay, so this guy can go now. Okay, so I can adjust this. I can adjust this. Can I adjust this? We can adjust this. Alright. Alright, so this is just the front, okay? So let's save. Alright, we'll save it. So for the back, these guys are not going to be here. Alright, this is not going to be here, this is not going to be here. So what would be the most important information would be this, and I think there's going to be an information here. Alright. If found. This identity card is a property so there's going to be an information there. Oh, write something there. Right, you can even adjust these guys. Okay, so right here we can just put imaginary. So the logo is going to be at the bottom this time. Okay, right there. So we can put maybe expiring date or something. Expiring date. Alright, then I think the other information is a signature. Alright, so let's just sign a signature using draw. Let's sign a signature using draw. These two, okay, let's say 3 2 and change it to black. So let's just sign. Alright, okay, so why this information is here. Alright, so we can carry this guy here, bring this one here. Alright, so signature can be there and every other information were captured. So just that. Then let's save it. Alright, so there are two ways to do your mockup. You can you can actually download a PSD mockup and edit it, or you can decide to do, so I want to use this mockup right now. You can decide to use a JPEG template like this. Alright, but you need to get your size correctly. So this is a JPEG template I want to use. So I'm going to just adjust it like this. Okay. Right, then I'll come here, I'll bring it back, I'll put it right there. Then you adjust. I'm going to drop the link to another video where you can see how I used a PSD mockup, that is a card identity card mockup. You could see another design in the description right there. Then you will check and also be able to download it. So this is just basically what is required of us. All right, okay, if you like this video, of course you do, please give it a like and then share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you in another tutorial. My name is Lee Hamuda. If you want to submit your work, you can check the link in the description. You find a WhatsApp link, you will join our group and you'll be able to submit your work. Thank you for watching to the end.